this is Aisha of Aisha Designed It, and today I want to come on here because y'all, I'm just now cleaning my mats when I did my rhinestone template when I showed y'all. So I want to come on here and show you how I clean my mats, and maybe that will help you when you get ready to clean your mats, okay? So I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see what I'm doing. There's my twin. Say hey. Hey. All right, so she's going to be recording me as I scrape my mats, okay? So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to do. All right, everyone, so here is one of my mats. So what I'm going to do, I have this little Cricut little scraper thing here that I'm going to be using. I have a bigger one, but I'm going to just use this smaller one. So what I do, I just take it here, right here on the edge, and just scrape it off. Now, it's probably better if you go ahead and get it off as soon as you finish with, you know, your rhinestone template. But I'm just going to go ahead and do it now because I got another one that I'm going to be doing. And I will be back to show you the one that I thought of in design, okay? But this is the way that I go ahead and get my, these little dots off of my mat. So, as you see, it is super easy. I normally would get my oldest daughter and my kids in here. I give them a little money to scrape it for me because this is not what I like to do. So I would rather pay them to do it for me. All right, so I just turn it around and just scrape it just like this. All right. So if y'all have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace.